In today's video, we're going to take a look at this nail lamp. Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Doing Nails. Today I'm going to review this lamp from a company called Aqsure. It's an 84 watt 2-in-1 LED UV nail lamp. The UV lights in here are what's going to help you cure polygel as well, if that's what you need it for. Let's go ahead and open it up. And I want to take this time to remind you guys to subscribe to Just Doing Nails if you haven't, and also leave me a like if you like the video and the content. So here's the instruction manual. And it has just 2 pages of English, and the rest of them are in different languages, which is great because there are a whole lot of languages out here, we know. So that's great that they're very accommodating for different languages. All right, let's take it out the box. So I want to say, first of all, I'm really liking the color, okay? All right, so here's the cord it comes with. It's just your standard AC power cord, US. And then I measured this cord to be 6 foot long. First off, the aesthetics of this, I'm really liking. I gotta say, I really love the smoothness of it, the roundness of it, just how it feels. And it has these timers on it. It has a 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds. Around here is where the cord is gonna go. And also the bottom comes off, and the reason why they make these so the bottom comes off is if you're doing a pedicure, you can just take that bottom off and then you can just place the nail lamp over the top of your foot. So just pretend that my hand is my foot right now. And so that's how you would do that. And I wanted to show you guys up close how these lights look. And they go all the way up the sides, and that way you're curing your thumb. And there's also in the front, you're gonna cure that free edge really good. Basically, if you're not making a nail lamp like this dome shape, I don't know what you're doing. All right, so, and it goes on very easy. It doesn't snap on or anything, it just slides right in. So I thought that was kind of great as well. So let's plug it up. And it turns on instantly once you plug it up. Today I'm gonna use my Sally's hand. And I've attached these tips to it using a nail hack from the dollar store. And I did make a video on that. It's right there in the corner if you guys want to check it out. That video is going to show you an easy way you can reuse these nail practice hands without using glue. All right, now I'm going to show you guys how these settings work. So like I said, it's just touch censored. You don't have to press any buttons hard. You barely have to touch it and it'll start up immediately. All right, so I'm going to use my Model 1's Rainbow Gel Polish today. And I'm just going to put a thin coat on first. Just remember, anytime you're working with gel polishes, you always want to go thin. And then you can add as many layers after that. Just do it in thin layers. So we're going to cure that. And if you see, it's getting a lot of the hand. It's getting everywhere. All right, so after 30 seconds, it is dry. I was very impressed. As you see my finger, nothing is coming off. I'm rubbing it fairly hard and there's nothing coming off. So let's do another coat. Make sure we get that thumb. And I'll show you guys inside again one more time. As you can see, it's definitely reaching every finger. All right, so here is the finished product. I will rub my fingers over it again just to show you guys. So I'm gonna give this nail lamp a 10 out of 10. I had no issues with it. It cured the polish fast. It was easy to use. So I would definitely recommend it if you are looking to do your own nails at home. This is a great lamp to start with, or even end with. I'm going to leave the information for this product down in the description below. And can we just take a moment to look how beautiful this polish is? Oh, I just love it. All right, that is my review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave me a like. A lot of people do forget to like. If you're already signed into your phone or whatever, it takes but a second just to go ahead and hit that like button. It will really help this channel out a lot. Also, go ahead and subscribe if you're already signed in. It will really help my channel grow. That is my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.